Well, while my egg is hardening, I'm going to have a go at doing the packaging. Now, obviously, Cadbury cream egg. Let me show you. A large part of it is this yellow splodge with cream egg written on it. And the rest is sort of purple and red. I'm not too worried about copying all this. You could, I suppose, say. So what I'm going to do is then make this cream egg logo out of a separate piece of foil, paint it up, and then just apply it to my finished egg. My egg is going to be, you can kind of see the imprint of it. It's going to be quite big, so if I just use this lid I'm going to mix on. The logo's got to be roughly the same size as that, so quite big, and I could trace it off the packet, and I'm still not sure that's going to be quite big enough, so I'm going to do it by free hand because I'm not too worried about it being perfect. I want the impression of a cream egg rather than the hours of work of making it perfect. I suppose what you could do is scan it in and print it off, but then it wouldn't be the foil texture. So I'm hoping this is going to be halfway through, halfway compromise. So I've got some strong foil. So I need it to be roughly as long as this piece, probably about here. I'm going to cut off slightly more because I probably won't centre it perfectly. Right. So I've got purple and I've got yellow, and then I've got some red. I just picked these out of my paint pot, but I think they're going to be right. I'm going to add a little bit of white just to make it, actually maybe not, maybe a tiny bit of white. It tends to make it more opaque and then a bit more wieldy, a little bit more well behaved. I've got this violet. I'm going to make up more than I need in case I run out. I probably won't need lots. I'm always a bit skimpy with my paint. It's one of my hang-ups I'm going to work on. I'm going to do the cream egg bit. I am so tempted to make this personalised. So if you were giving this egg to somebody, you know, you'd paint out, I don't know, Philip's egg in a similar kind of writing. I think that'd be quite cool, but for now I'm just going to try and copy this. I'm going to add some PVA glue to my paint just to make it bulkier and flow a bit better. And I'm going to add a tiny bit of white. It's going to look quite pale. Hopefully by the time it's set it's going to look the right colour. I've got a nice round brush. I'm just going to paint on the writing nice and simply. Right, a bit of water going in. Right, so we want this area. Just move it over a fraction. That extra water I've added has stopped it from being very smooth. I have to go back round and touch it up again. I'm going to wash my brush and do the yellow. Well, I've got some yellow paint. I'm just going to splosh this on nice and quick. I don't much fancy writing Cadbury, so I'm going to leave that off. That'll do. Right, now a bit of red. Just need a line from here going up. Oh, the rest is going to be purple. I think here would be nice to put something like your own name rather than Cadbury. So, I know, Josh's cream egg. I'm going to leave it blank though, just to save time. I'm going to go in with the purple and finish off. There is definitely scope for a lot of postmodern innocent smoothie style info. You could put the date you made it or the date you gave it on the best before date, or you could put your barcode, write something funny like, you know, gotcha or whatever. That was funny. If you see what I mean. But I think you could just go on and on and on. At the moment I'm just going to finish up nice and quick. And I'm going to go in again with a bit more purple. Hopefully it'll be good enough. So I'm just going to do the last bit, the fun bit, which is taking my painted wrapper. I'm going to wrap up my very heavy giant Cadbury cream egg. So here it goes. I'm going to wrap around the back quickly. Bit nerve-wracking. How's that looking to you guys? Is that good? It's a bit bigger than it should be, maybe. Never mind. Look at that. Distinctive bit of foil on it. Yeah, the logo is a bit outsized. I kind of got there. I'm pretty pleased with that. My very own giant Cadbury cream egg. Here's the comparison. Okay. Bye for now then. Well, now my egg is finished, I am feeling quite smug about it. It's really weighty, so I just thought out of interest. I think it says 40 grams for the original. Just to see how heavy. I've got it in ounces. I'll do it again in grams once I work out. Wow. Okay. At £1 3 ounces. Let's change that to grams. That's 537. I don't know how many times. Maybe you could tell me how many times bigger that is. But yeah, pretty big. Happy Easter, everybody.